Hello, my name is Cecil. I'm part of the ground maintenance. I'm here today in Call Roundabout to sow out some wildflowers. This is a fiddle here that belonged to my grandfather. It could be 100 years old. We use it here now for sowing the wildflowers here for the council here. And it also will be used in the past for sowing out corn and grass seed on for farm use. Well, my father would have used it, back maybe 20 years ago, and I would have given him a hand, to fill it, and then I eventually got sown out of field, and that's where I sort of carried it on. But it's not used, very often now on a farm, except maybe for a wee wet spot in a field or somewhere you can access still, or maybe a wee garden or something. But it's ideal rather than the traditional machinery now for ground that's soft ground and hard to get access with machinery and that. So it still has its purpose.